I'll be glad to share with you those cool jingle rolls. Has the ancient frame drum been calling to you? Well, you're not alone. With its rich history dating back thousands of years to a time when the drummers were women, this beautiful and transformational instrument lends itself to magnetizing and mesmerizing drum processions for both ceremony and celebration. So thanks for staying with me for this entire lesson. And as promised, here's your bonus. And if you fast forwarded just to get here, I don't blame you, because the jingle rolls are really cool. But once I got over the initial coolness of the jingle rolls, I came to realize that this instrument in general is so cool. And again, if you are searching for a tambourine and would like some guidance as to how to choose one, I'm linking the buyer's guide right now, and you can also find it in the description below. Those cool jingle rolls. They do take some time to get used to, so I'm glad that I'm giving it to you now, so you have plenty of time between now and the next lesson to be working on your jingle rolls. Let's begin with your hand in front of you like this, with the thumb closest to your face and the little finger furthest away. Spread the fingers wide, and one finger at a time, stretching them to keep them as far apart as possible. Bring them down in and reopen. The fingers to be like a one at a time, a little faster. One at a time. And that is really important, because some of my students tried to do the rolls and their fingers were just too tight and too close together. And they really do need to be separated. And that's a good exercise to just keep doing that. Keep them separated. The tick is the last. Your typical tick finger is the last one in the roll. And we're going to call the ring finger 4, the number 4, and the middle finger 3, the index finger 2, and then the tick finger 1, the tick finger of the balancing hand 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? This is one reason why when we play the strokes of the drum, whether it's doom or cha or tak, we don't want to be up here at the 3 o'clock position. We want to play down here in more like the 5 o'clock position. So we are ready to jump onto a jingle roll and we don't have to travel. Travel takes time and energy. And so in being efficient, time-wise and energy-wise, we play all the strokes of the drum within this region so that we can. So open your fingers and let's go slowly, beginning with the 4th finger, the ring finger, and then 3, 2, 1. Let's count. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. They simply strike the jingle and pass on by. 4, 3, 2, 1. They stay down. They come down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's say it and play it. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do it a little faster. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then let's do it a little faster. And the reason why I stop you every time is because if we make it a habit of gradually speeding up, we create a really negative habit as drummers of speeding up our rhythm unintentionally. It's one thing if you intend to go faster and faster, but if you don't intend to, but rather want to stay at the same steady tempo, more or less. I mean, we're not mechanical beings. We're not metronomes. We are fluid creatures, organic. But if we want to do our best to maintain steady time, it's best to not create the habit of gradually speeding up like a train coming out of the station, especially if we want to play with others. So let's do it a little bit faster. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. And even faster, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think I can say it that fast. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all the way. Each one needs to still be articulated. So that's why the fingers can't go so fast if they're close together. They still stay separated, okay? Now, we'll have to talk later about where it's appropriate to put those in, how often to use them, where, when you're looking at a chart, where could you put in a finger roll if it doesn't already exist, and those lessons coming up later. So thanks again for joining me. Enjoy your tambourine. I would so appreciate it if you liked the content of this video to subscribe to my channel for more, and you'll get to know when my videos upload, and share this with your friends if there's anyone out there who you think might be interested in learning how to play this beautiful instrument. Thank you again for joining me. I thank my teachers, my teachers' teachers, teachers before them, and so on. One drum, one heart. I'll see you next time. And until then, may your days be in rhythm.